As you're playing through the game, you're probably going to find quite a few glitches. The warp tubes might not work correctly, or there might not even be a level file there at all. So there's a lot of things you might see. We're going to go through some of them so that you're ready to fix them if it happens. One thing you may find at the end of the level is there's no star there, so there's no way to actually end the level. That's a pretty easy thing to fix. What you can do is just go ahead and die in the level and return to the main screen. And then what you're going to need to do is open up that level file, which it tells you up here at the top. This is World 1 Level 1, so it's file 1-1, and you would need to open that up with the level editor. To get the level editor open, you'll have to open up SMBX again and open up the SMBX icon a second time. So the first time you just started playing the game, but now we're going to go in and actually edit the level. So we're going to go to level editor, and you can scoot your game file over to one side of your screen, and then you can maybe minimize or scoot the editor over to the other side of your screen. Now, to get to that level, that was level 1-1, I'm going to go to File, Open, and you have to find where your SMBX folder is located. For you guys, it should be in your Documents folder. It should be under your username and then Documents, SMBX131. So you're going to open up your Worlds folder, and you need to find the game folder that you're working in. For periods 1 and 2, that should be called Game 1. For periods 3 and 4, that should be Game 2. And if you're in periods 5 or 6, that should be Game 3. I'm going to go ahead and use Game 1 for now. So again, this first level didn't have a star, so I'm opening it up, 1-1, and I hit Open. And now I can actually see that level that I was playing, and at the end, there is no star. So to throw one in, that's non-player characters. Really, really important that it's the star on SMB3. Just the single star, not the mixed one. This star on SMW actually will not end the level correctly. It won't go to the next level. So it's really important that you use one from SMB3, the star. You can just place that in the game. So other things, if you decided the level is too difficult, you could maybe grab some ground and make it a little bit easier so there's less gaps. You could remove some of the enemies. It's kind of up to you to try to improve it, make it better. Now, once you've got your level edited and you're ready to try it again in the player, you just go to File, Save, and it should still be called 1-1, and that's going to save your new version over the old version. Then when you come back and play that level, it should have those corrections in it. And now you'll see the map open up a new level to play up here. So that's kind of the basics of editing the levels. You are going to find glitches. Unfortunately, a lot of students turned in levels that were kind of missing things or not quite working right. I'll make a couple other videos on how to fix some common glitches that you may find. But for now, go ahead and jump in, start playing the game, and see how far you can get.